Hi, Kathy. Yeah, pretty much everything you're seeing there is actually intentional, but with Safari, I don't even test with that anymore. It's a defunct browser, not supported by Apple, not supported by Microsoft, and it hasn't been updated for any of the current standards. So it's you can test with it if you want, but it's so out of date, it's not even worth checking out. Uh, anyways, the other issues, yeah, what you can do is you can hide things. Everything you see that's actually intentional. The image going behind the text and that thing sliding up because, well, it has to have room. If you don't want to display it, just simply hide it for iPad. So first I'm going to take you to the Bootstrap website. Right, so if we just type in Bootstrap and then getbootstrap.com, let's take a look at the CSS options that we have. Okay. What you can do here is see these responsive utilities right here. This can help display. So basically what we're saying is small devices, we want to say have something hidden on certain devices or not display on certain devices because it's a problem with the view. Right? Well, the thing that you could do here is you could actually, let's see, we want it to display. So this right here, that is a tablet in portrait. This is a phone, okay? And this is basically a tablet in landscape, and this is a desktop. Right? So if we don't want something to be displayed on a phone or an iPad, what we do is we take the hidden small and the hidden extra small and just add those classes to the element. So in this case, we have the component, we have the parallax section, right? So right in here, we just open that page up, and then you have an image. Okay? So if we sort of go in here, here's the image class right up here. Okay? If you were to tack in here, hidden hyphen small, hidden hyphen medium, you won't see that. Oh, sorry, hidden small and hidden XS, just like that. Then that image is going to go away. It's going to be hidden. Same with the side image. That is displayed. That is designed to go behind the text for smaller devices. So as you scooch on over, it's just going to go behind the text like so. Okay. If you don't want it to do that, let's find out what class that is. Okay. So if you go into the index page, put it in code view, about a third of the way down. This is the side pick image right here. Same thing. So you can do a hidden hyphen XS and then a hidden hyphen small, so it won't show up on your iPad. So basically anything you don't want to show up on an iPad or a phone, you just add these classes to it. Find out what the classes are and add that to it. Right, so you're having trouble with this one here. It seems to be in the right spot there. Yeah, so I already talked about that, so hide those things if you don't want to see them. There's no other way to do it. I mean, you only have 768 pixels to work with, right? So it's either going to go behind, or it's going to fade in or out, or just be removed altogether. Right? I think I've got about the right width here. Maybe I don't. Oh, now it makes sense. I'm looking at the wrong page there. Okay. So this here, so if we go about here, no, it's not going to show up because let's see where it's positioned. Yeah, oh, I see what you're done. Yeah, that's not going to work. You see, you've got the image, the 2000 by 1200, and you see, I'm looking at the background image right now. You put the logo directly in the background. Yeah, it's outside the 768. You'd actually have to use that logo as a separate image or something within that area and not as part of the background of the page. So yeah, it's not going to work. So I would go back to the original background and I'll help you find a different way. But you see where I'm hovering over? To me, it looks like you put the logo in the background of the page. Yeah, that's just going to show outside of the viewable area. Anyways, being a Friday here, go with what you have. Upload the site. I'll maybe download a copy next week and see if I can help you get that logo placed in the page somehow. Yeah, it's not going to work on the background, but everything else you're seeing, just hide or whatnot. And yeah, welcome to the world of mobile and iPad and everything else, where you're basically building or having a fine tune for 3 different versions. Yeah, but yeah, everything you see, a lot of the stuff you're seeing is actually intentional. Okay, just like this here, but that's the background of the page, so that's not going to work. The button, I have no clue, to be honest with you. I don't know, makes no sense to me. But anyways, you can play around with those things for now to see. Thanks for the tip on the search, and I'll see if I can help you get that background thing. But yeah, it can't be part of the background of the page itself. It's got to be a separate image, because the background is fixed centered, and parallax you can't align it to the left, I don't think.